Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Myers. I am here to introduce one of our workplaces for math. So when you log in and you click on this link, you're going to see this page first. And our focus with these are Unifix cubes. So what you're going to have to do, if you look down here, there's these little pages. So you're going to want to click on the second little page, and it's going to switch you over to a blank page, okay? So I'm here to show you how to have some different ideas of what you can do with the Unifix cube since we aren't able to actually be at school and touch them, okay? So here's one challenge for you. You can make different patterns, okay? So let's start with an A-B pattern. That means we're going to choose two colors, 1, 2, A, B. So I'm going to choose A, B, A, B. And I'm going to continue that pattern all the way to the end of the page. Okay. Now, if you want an additional challenge on your whiteboard that you have at your house, you can write that pattern on your whiteboard. You could say blue, so you could say B for blue, R for red. B, R, B, R. Okay. Now, if you have that pattern mastered, you could do an A, B, C pattern. Okay, so that would look something like this. Let's say I want to keep using A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay. Third type of pattern you could do would be an A, B, B. So think about what that would look like. Okay, we had A 2 times, so that would say A, B, B. Repeat the pattern. A, whoops, A, B, B. Okay. Finally, if you wanted to you could do A, B, B, C, C. Okay. What would that look like? It would be all 3 colors 2 times. So A, B, B, C, C. And then, of course, you would repeat that pattern. Okay, so that's one choice. So for a workplace time, you'll do workplaces a lot, and so you can come back to this. So maybe you only want to do one pattern on your first time, okay? Another option, so watch what Mrs. Myers does. Down here on our toolbar, you can hit the 2 arrows, okay? And it will say, do you want to clear all your work? And you want to say yes. And then that disappears, okay? So another thing I was thinking you could do was we have sticks of 10. So my challenge to you would be, how many groups of 10 could you fit on the paper? And then could you count and write that number, okay? So watch. I know right away that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then I could continue over on the other side. 100. So far I'm at 100 and I still have a long ways to go. Okay, now you see this little pencil down here? I could click on that and I can write my number. Whoops, well, maybe. So you have to play and figure that out. So 1, oh gosh, you guys are gonna have to tell me how to do that. So you can write also, but again, if that's too hard, you have your whiteboard. So write those numbers. You could even say on your whiteboard, you could write every time 10, 20, 30, 40. That would be such great practice for writing your numbers. Okay. Okay. Finally, I have one other idea for you. I'm going to clear my work. The other thing is called a stair stepper. Okay. So you can do this in a pattern or you can just make the stairs. So I'm going to make mine in a pattern. So I'm going to say 1. The next time I'm going to count up and start those stairs. So I'm going to say 2. What do you think is going to come next in my stairs? 3. You're right. 2. Whoops. And 3. Next in my stairs is going to be 4. So I want you to see how tall can you make your steps? And my challenge to you when you're done is to count how many you have all together and write that number. Have a great time, boys and girls, exploring Unifix cubes. Enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.